Hey besties, welcome to my channel. So today we are making this love at first sight yummy and delicious fish pie or fish roll. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I have my mashed fish, my potatoes and carrots and green pepper well chopped. Here I have my seasonings, salt, curry and fish seasoning. Then I have my onions and green pepper and garlic. In a pan with little oil, I'll be adding my onion and I'm just going to fry this for some time. Once it's well fried, I'll be going in with my roughly blended pepper and allow this to fry also. I like adding little hot pepper to my meat pie, fish pie, chicken pie and even vegetable pie fillings. So next up, I will be adding my potatoes and carrots. And I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm just going to mix this properly. Next up, I'll be adding little fish stock so the potatoes and carrots can cook. And I'm going to leave this for some time. It's time to add the mashed fish. So I'm using the Titus fish. Sorry, I prepared it off camera, but it's easy. Just add any seasoning of your choice and boil. Now I'm adding curry, salt, seasoning cube and fish spice. I don't joke with that. So I'm going to give this a very good mix so everything can combine. Now I'm adding the chopped green pepper and I'm just going to give this a good stir. So besties, the aroma in my kitchen right now is nose blocking. Guys, you can actually use this to eat whatever except swallow. You can use it for your rice, yam, bread, even beans. This will make a good combination to either of them. Just try it out, guys. It's time to make our dough. Here we have the flour, milk flavor, baking powder, salt and cinnamon, then egg and butter, the egg for the egg wash. Now I'm adding the dry ingredients to the flour. Mind you, my flour is sieved, so I'm just going to mix this together. I had to wash my hands, dry and mix properly. Now I added in the butter and I'm just going to mix this properly until it forms a crumbling texture. I'm gently going to add in water to this and combine. Now our dough is made, so we are going to set aside and prepare our work surface. So now I'm going to whisk the egg and set aside for the egg wash. So I floured my surface and cut my dough into smaller bits so it will be easy to work with. So I'm going to take the dough one by one and roll out. Once I get my desired thickness, I'm going to cut out the edges and start adding in the filling. I'm going to add the filling in a straight line so that it will be easy for me to work with. So now I'm going to roll. Please, I want you to pay attention to this stage so you can get it right and have a perfect shape. So I'll continue rolling until I get my desired thickness and then cut out the excess dough. I guess this is why it's called the fish roll, right? So I use water to damp the edge of the dough so it can seal up. So I'll be cutting this to my desired length. So I'm placing this on my oven tray. So again, I'll be rolling out to my desired thickness, but this time around I'm using the cutter to make fish pie. So I added the filling at the center and sealed with water. If you're looking at making fish pie or fish roll for a commercial purpose, this is one recipe you should try out. I made quite a number of the fish roll and the fish pie. I'm applying the egg wash on the fish pie to give it that golden look when it's baked. So I preheated the oven for 10 minutes before going in with the fish pie. So I'm going to allow this to bake for 25 minutes. Voila! Her fish pie and fish roll is ready. This is super delicious and super yum. You should try this. Don't forget to like this video, share, drop your comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.